Hi there, welcome back to Alpha Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about MonkeyFlux, which is basically a software that allows you to um, maximize your ad spend using algorithms. And just to get started, we can talk about the headline, which is I guess clear, but it could be clearer in terms of specifically what they do. But looking through the pages, it looks like they basically analyze the ads that you are putting out and see which ones are giving you the best returns on your ROAS. Okay, so that's it. But what they do well here is that they've added a field for the email for a contact email, and this is good in order to increase the number of opt-ins. But it would have been more helpful if they added an incentive for a prospect to send an email, like for example, a lead magnet, a a freebie or a discount or anything like that. Also, they do technically have the 5-star ratings section above the fold, which is powerful, but it is being covered by this cookies section. Uh, And so this is something that, that probably should be taken off. And also, they say that they've got all these reviews, but it would have been helpful to actually have a testimonial being shown on the page just for more credibility. And here they've got more, explanation as to why you should switch to this platform, right? And this is a message from the managing director stating that they're able to optimize the ad spend by up to 80%, which is a really good, interesting stat. And also, they state that you can use it you know, in conjunction with all these platforms that basically are able to track ads. Okay, they've got more information about the bots that they have, information about the business. And if you scroll down, we can see a really good testimonial here. I guess they could have gone more in depth, but here this is a very good lengthy testimonial, and it shows the person and the actual title, which is great. Again, maybe if they added the actual company of where this person is from, might have been more helpful. And then it takes you to the FAQs. FAQs are very important in order to handle the objections of any prospect before they make a purchasing decision. So this is good from MonkeyFlux. And a prospect can then go through the questions and see which ones are most applicable to them, right? And hear more credibility in terms of the brands that they've worked with, which is good. Here they have a contact form that is basically asking you to um, contact them. I guess potentially having a sentence here that actually makes gives them an incentive to actually fill out the contact form might be more helpful. Like once we, like we said again before, by having a freebie or a discount or a lead magnet might be helpful. And then this is the end of the web page. Um, I guess one thing that we could talk about is the lack of pricing page. I cannot see a pricing. So again, I believe that might be hidden behind the demo. So you might have to actually sign up for a demonstration, which is fine. If they want more qualified leads, but usually that also means they might see a lower level of opt-ins that they might have otherwise or that they might have otherwise seen. Okay. But other than that, it's a short website with a few more modifications that might increase the conversions by a few percent. But other than that, this takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys like this. And if you are a SaaS founder who would like help with increasing your conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description to book a call, and I'll see if I can help you. Other than that, I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.